No, and I'll be right back. Oh, it's nice out. It's just raining. Oh, Lord, I am not in my car. And I had turned the windshield wipers on. I don't know what to do. So, yeah, today might not be... I mean, the house stuff is still... That's a situation. I did finish the bedroom. So now all I have to do is tackle that kitchen. Wasn't nobody in the line. Usually at this time, you know, almost 10 o'clock, everybody, the line usually be jumping. Oh, what, do they know something I don't know? I'm going to go pick up my mom. We are going to hit the streets. Luckily, I was able to order the rest of my, the gifts for the kid. Oh my God, I need to put some makeup on my face, but am I going to? Probably not. If you can't love me at my worst, don't like me at my best. No, I'm stupid. For real though. So, see you in a little bit. Boop.
Change your word. That don't make sense.
About to go in this liquidation spot. It's so crappy in there, but the little lady wanted to go check it out again because they got cheap stuff in there. They say they got us clothing, their store is closing a sign on there, but they probably lying. It's gonna probably be one of them things that they closing and they don't ever close. Anyway. The little lady getting ready to get left because I'm freezing. So I'm about to leave her in this store and go get in my car.
Oh, my son-in-law just brought us Krispy Kreme donuts, and they was on. The light was on, so they warm. Mm-hmm. We're getting our shake on.
What are we doing?
Just getting this covered up.
So you can't tell what it is?
I
So
think
you
it's
want to
gonna
fold
be
it
okay.
over or
Yeah,
no?
yeah, we're going to bring that up.
So we got that one. We need this one and that one.
You know what I'm saying?
What?
Where would this go? This is the front.
Boy, just look
Where
like
do
a
you
big
put it
wall.
at?
Just stick it in the middle.
Like here?
Yeah,
Like that?
it don't matter.
Donuts.
I want a donut.
Fold that one like you did this one.
Can I just fold this one over this way?
No, you want to do the same thing you got on the other side. Fold that end in like a triangle. No, you're going to fold it down to come down. Remember how we did it like a triangle at the end?
This goes down the corner.
No, fold that down.
This one?
Yeah, take that and fold it down.
Like that?
Not all the way up. You're going to bring it down to the edge of that, at the edge.
Like that?
Let me see. No.
Not like that?
You don't want to turn it in. You want to do this. But
So confused.
you're going to do this. You're going to do a triangle down here. Triangle on each end.
This is the crochet class all over again. So then we
go.
just...
See, it ain't that hard.
I don't know, this paper might be too... This paper might be too...
It'll work.
How did you know to tape down the back? That you just learned that as you...
What?
As you,
How to do what?
to tape down the back of the crayon box. That was just something you learned along the way.
Yeah, just paper down. Yeah, so you get rid of that piece at the top. You don't want that. I said you want to get rid of that because it's going to impede you from being able to wrap it right.
Now this is the part. I thought you stick these two parts down. No,
Cut that down.
I need to cut it like half.
Yeah, cut half of it off.
Like that much. On both ends.
Yep. So you want about an inch.
Like that much.
Yeah. Now take and push those in at the side. Now pull them up.
Like that?
Yeah, you want to take that to wherever your bottom was. That's where you want that other to come down to. Where's the bottom at? Where you take it. You want to take that the other way then. Take it the other way. Undo it and then go from
this way.
Yes.
And then go
then
towards
bring it back
this way.
Yeah. And here go your piece of tape.
I got tape. Now, like that.
Yeah. Take the other one in too. Yeah. Push it in. Bring that one down under that one. Now bring it back this way. And take and push that little end back down under there. Okay.
I did it all by myself.
Now was that hard? Do this.
I'm on beginners. She trying to take me to advanced. Look at this package. She talking about we gonna do this. She gonna do that. And I'm gonna be an assistant. I'm on a beginner. She gonna take me from beginner, skip past intermediate, and take me straight to advanced. Do you see my first successful gift? It was a complete square. No. Look at this. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. No. This is a mess. No, it's still recording. Oops. Sorry. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna start a tutorial. I was gonna get a snack. I don't know. I'm just gonna say if I was doing it, that's not the route I would have took.
Well, trying to camouflage this ball.
Well, it looked more professional than one if I would have did it.
What I'm working with.
I did it. That is quality work. Look at that. Last gift. And I put the resident expert on it. Cause I'm all learned out for the night.
Yeah.
8:57 p.m. Table is clear, but I'm about to start project part 2. So I got part of my cabinet done. So all of this is organized. Let me show you.